Good morning everyone. See, today we are going to start our new chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. As we have completed our fifth chapter, so today is our new chapter. Then see, first of all I will explain you some examples. See, in page number 78 it is given, look at the number series 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21. 1, how you can express 1 here? 1, how you can write 1 here? 4 into 1 minus 3. For this you have to observe one formula, 4x minus 3. It means in place of x you have to put 1. This 4 into 1 minus 3, 4 ones are 4, minus 3 is equal to 1. Similarly 4 into 5 minus 3, 4 5s are 20. Sorry. Multiply by 2, 4 2s are 8, minus 3, that is 5. Then for 9, that is again you have to increase one number here, 4 into 3, minus 3, that is 4 3s are 12, minus 3, that is 9. So in every question you will get like this formula. See, for 7th term, for example, you have to find the 7th term of any number. It means 4 into 7 minus 3. 4 into 7 means 28 minus 3. So what is the 7th term? That is 25. 10th term, how you can find the 10th term? Means 4 into 10 minus 3. Then 40 minus 3, that is 37. 100th term, what is the formula you can put here? 4 into 100 minus 3, that is 400 minus 3, that is 397. Okay, number 1. See, example number 1. See, here four triangles are given here, made with matchsticks. See, number of triangles and matchsticks. You have to write a number of triangles, here number of matchsticks. See, number of triangle means x and y. Y is the number of matchsticks. If number of triangles are 1, then number of matchsticks will be 3. See, this is one triangle. Then how many matchsticks are there? 1, 2, 3. Means 3 matchsticks are there. If number of triangles are 2, then matchsticks will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now see, number of triangles are 3, then number of matchsticks will be 9. Number of triangles are 4, then matchsticks will be 12. Similarly, you can solve up to 100. See, now directly we will solve some exercise questions. See, exercise 6a. See, this exercise 6a, no need to write in your classwork copy, directly write in your textbook only. Okay. See, question number first. How many matchsticks do you think are needed to make 6 triangles? For 6 triangles, see, for this, for finding the number of matchsticks in triangle, you have one formula here, that is 2x plus 1. Okay, this formula you have to remember here. For 6 triangles, how many matchsticks you can take here? In place of x, what you have to put? 6. 2 into 6 plus 1, that is 12 plus 1, 13. Then they are asking of 7 triangles. What is the formula you can put here? 2 into 7 plus 1, that is 2 7s are 14 plus 1, that is 15. B. Now see, 10 triangles. 10 triangles, 2 into 10 plus 1, that is 20 plus 1, 21. Then D, for 20 triangles they are asking, then what you have to do? 2 into 20 plus 1, that is 41. Now see, for X triangles, what you can do for X triangles? Directly you have to put the formula. Okay, now you cannot solve X, you cannot multiply it by X by 2, so 2x plus 1. So number of triangles, see next, in next column, number of triangles and number of matchsticks. X, Y, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 7, 4, 9, 5, 11, 6, 13. See, how did you know this? See, I will explain you. X is the number of triangles and Y is the number of matchsticks. See, in one triangle you got 3 matchsticks. Then in 2 triangles, how many matchsticks you got here? See, like this I will explain you. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, in 2 triangles you got 5. Okay, it means you have to increase. See, similarly you can put here the formula 1 into, in one triangle already you got here 3, then that is 2 into x plus 1, that is in place of x you can put 1, so 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. Similarly for 2 triangles, 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 5. Similarly for 3 triangles, 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. Then for 4 triangles, 2 into 4 plus 1, that is 8 plus 1, 9. Similarly you can find up to, how many triangles they have asked? Up to 5 triangles only they have asked, you can write here. Now see question number 2. Make this pattern of trapeziums. See how many sides are there in trapeziums. In trapezium there are 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, see in matchsticks they have made 5 sides with matchsticks in trapezium. Now see how many matchsticks you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now see question number 2. They have asked here number of trapezium. In one trapezium how many sides are there? How many matchsticks they have put? 5. Then number of matchsticks. See, for this also we have one formula, that is 4x plus 1. Now they are asking of 2. In 2 trapeziums, how many matchsticks we have? That is 4 into 2 plus 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1. See, for trapezium you have to note down this formula, that is 9. Then in 3 trapeziums, 4 into 3 plus 1, that is 12 plus 1 will become 13. Then for 4 into 4 plus 1, that is 16 plus 1 will become 17. Then for 5, 4 into 5 plus 1, 20 plus 1, that is 21. You can note down here formula 4x plus 1. Okay. For trapezium. Okay, now for 6, multiply by 6, 4 into 6 plus 1, 25. Okay, like this you can solve the questions. Now see, they haven't asked of 1, 2, 3, 4. After that they have asked of 10. For 10, how you can solve? 4x plus 1, 4 into 10 plus 1, 40 plus 1, that is 41. Okay, now see for 20, what they have did of 20, 20, 80, 80 plus 1, that is 81, you can put here 81. Then for x, here you can write 4x plus 1. Okay, for x you cannot find anything, so 4x plus 1 will come here. Now see question number 3, construct this pattern of house with matchstick. Question number 3, number of house upon number of matchstick. Here also they have given one formula for us, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20 and x. Okay, now see, for house they have given one formula here, 5x plus 1. See, for in one house, how many matchsticks are given here in one house? One, two, three, four, five, 6. Then for one house 6. It means you can put here in formula 5 into 1 plus 1. Number of houses are 1. It means 5 into 1, that is 5 plus 1, it is 6. Then for 2, 5 into 2 plus 1, that is 10 plus 1 will become 11. Then for 3, see, note down the formula here, 5x plus 1. Then 5 into 3 plus 1, that is 15 plus 1, that is 16. Okay, now for 4, 5 into 4 plus 1, that is 20 plus 1 will become 21. Then 5 into 10 plus 1, 10 5s are 50 plus 1 will become 51 here. Then for 20 you can find 5 into 20 plus 1, 100 plus 1 will become 101. Then for x, directly you can write the formula here, 5x plus 1. Now see question number 4. See question number 4. Series is given here. Series, algebraic expression or nth term. Terms to be found, it is given here, terms to be found and term. Okay, now see A 2, 4, 6, 8 it is given. Algebraic expression is 2x. Term is your 100th term. It means what you got here, 200. The term is 200. How did you got here 200? It means 2x multiply by 2x is given here. What is the term to be found here? That is 100th term. It means in nth term, what is the nth term means? 100th term means 2 into 100, that is 200. In place of x you have to put the term given here. Okay, now see in next question, 5, 12, 19, 26, 33. What is the term given here? sorry, what is the algebraic expression? 7x minus 2. What is the term? 20th term. How you can solve it? 7 into 20 minus 2. Now see, what is the formula, what is the expression you got here? 7 2s are 14, 140 minus 2, that is 138. Okay, here you got 138. In place of x, you have to put 20 here. Now see 4 into, sorry, 4, 13, 22, 31, 40. See, or you can write like this, 4 into 20 minus 2, 140 minus 2, that is 138. Now in 3, 9x minus 5. 9x minus 5, it means 9. What is the term given here? 30th term. 9 into 30 minus 5, that is 270 minus 5. That is you got here 265. Now D, 16, 23, 30, 37 and 44. 16, 23, 30, 37 and 44. Now see, that is, what is the term given here? 7x plus 9. How you can solve it? 7 into, what is the term given here? 50th. 7 into 50 plus 9. 3, that is you got here 350 plus 9, 359. You have to write it here 359. Now see E, 5, 13, 21, 29 and 37. How you can solve it? What is the expression given here? 8x minus 3. So term is 40th term. So 40 you have to write here, 8 into 40 minus 3, 320 minus 3. That is, what is the term you got here? 317. Okay. Now F, 25, 28, 31, 34 and 37 dish. What is the term you got here? 3x plus 22. Which term? 15th term. Then 3x means you have to put the value of x here, that is 15. 3 into 15 plus 2, 22. 45 plus 22, that is 67. Okay. So write this also in your textbook only, no need to write in your notebook. Now see, express the following as formula. Question number 5. Express the following as formula. See, your question number first is, the price of one article is P. The price of one article is P. The cost C of n number of article is C is equal to. Now see, the cost of C of n number of article is C is equal to how you can find now? The price of one article is P. What they are asking, that they have asked of the cost of C of n number of articles. It means one price of one article is P. What they have asked of n articles, it means we have to multiply by n. C is equal to P into n is your answer. Now see question number B. The selling price S of an article is the sum of the cost price C and the profit P. Thus S is equal to, what they have asked, the selling price S of an article is the sum of the cost price C and the profit P. Thus selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. They have explained already in the question. When you are reading the question, read it carefully, you will get the answer very easily. Now see the perimeter P of a square of side S is 4 times its side. 4 times its side. Therefore P is equal to, what they have asked, the perimeter of a square. P is the perimeter square of side is S is 4 times its side. It means 4 times its side. It means 4S. 4 into side. Now question number D. The perimeter P of a rectangular pentagon is 5 times its side of length x. Then what they have asked, P is equal to, how you can find P? The perimeter P of rectangular pentagon is 5 times of its side. 5 times of its sides. It means its side of length is, what is the side given here? X. How much times it is given here? 5 times of the rectangular P, perimeter P. It means 5 into x. You will get here. So we have completed this exercise. In question number 5, read the questions very carefully, then automatic you will get the answers. Okay. Then next lecture we will start our exercise 6B. Before that, up to Monday you have to complete this assessment first, given on page number 75. Complete it, and the questions which are of chapter number 4, that you have to leave. Okay. And the question related to chapter 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 5th, that you have to complete. Okay. Okay. Thank you.